Ayan guys, yung ating yard ay marami na namang grass. Ayan, needs to be cut na naman. So, arado muna for today. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys, in the middle of my cutting the grass. Dito, inuna ko dito para makalabas si Lola. Ayan. Ayan. Dumating yung bibili ng aking desk. Kaya ako'y nahinto. Kahapon pa sana yun, kaya lang nagka-flat tire sila. And then I did not expect that they show up this morning. Kaya ayan guys. Aray ko, natigil yung ating pang-arado guys. Diyan dito. Diyan. Dahil kinagat ako ng bee. Yan, ibig sabihin nandyan sila, nag-warning ba. So, sabi ni Steve, next time ulit. And ito tayo ng driveway dito. Spray ng mga ganyan. Lemon. And then, siguro, I will do the roses, cut the roses. So, they can flower some more. Dito. Ikat natin guys. Ito. Ganyan. Hopefully makita ko ito kay Sis Leia's Facebook. Okay, so tingnan natin in a few weeks kung sila ay mag-flower ulit.
And don't get this on your skin.
Why?
It will burn you.
Okay.
This is pure vinegar.
Vinegar?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Cut na lang namin. We will see kung epektibo. We are spraying our driveway dahil maraming grass. And I use that one. I think, how much water did you mix in with it? So ayan guys, let's see if it's effective then. Do you think we can see the result later this afternoon? Ayan, it's currently like noon. And I sprayed right here, this dandelions in our driveway. Oh wow, I can see it. It got welted.
Yeah. Kills it right away.
Wow. Ayan guys. Yep. Ayan. Even. Kasi hindi nakita yung driveway. At pa dyan. Na ng dandelions. And other. Ito din mukhang hindi ko pa ito. Spray. But ayan lang. We will see. It's just up to there. Ayan, driveway by the gate. Hindi pa. Ako na punta doon by the photo, We will see. We will see. Yeah, some of it are dying already. Like in here. See? Ito yung mga gulay-gulay galing sa guys. Sa garden. Ito ko latest. Look po. At mayroong talbos ng kamote. Tagpukundi lang. Ito galing ito store. Spinach. And then, yung aking munggo. Ayan, ginisa munggo guys. Meron siyang talbos ng kalabasa at talbos ng sitaw. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang sahog ay ulo ng hipon at ginamos dahil yung katawan ng hipon nandito. Ito dinonistic. Dahil hindi siya nakain ng at saka may leftover na salmon from last night. Ayan na yung hipon. So ganyan ako magluto guys. Iba kay Steve, iba din sa Okay. Ayan na ang aking tinugang munggo. May kulitis. May lukpo. May talbos ng kamote. Konti. Ay, yes, talbos ng kamote. May talbos ng sitaw, talbos ng kalabasa. No, ayan yung talbos ng sitaw at kalabasa. May kulitis. Ulo ng hipon, ang sahog at ginamos. Saan pa kayo dyan? Gulay pa more. Hindi na. Tayo na. Ay. Naku. So, ayan hapon na guys. Tingnan natin. Ayan, puro na sila brown. Dahil namatay na sila. Looks like I did not get this one right here. Yeah, I missed it. But the one that I sprayed on, ayun, paroon. Oh yeah, some of them I did not get the roots maybe. We need to go back and spray some more. And this, even this. Wow. It's effective for dandelions, looks like. Ayan, nandito na naman kami sa Edenville Park. Ayan guys, ako'y mag-walking. Day off daw ni Steve, so walking today. What?
Watch this, I can do 10 times.
I'm going walking, be. Ayan, yung girls, mag-play sila sa... Okay. You go play in the park while I go walk. 10 times what? Okay, good job. Wow, be careful. Is it? Ayan, Eloise came with me for a walk. It's just Eloise and Mommy for a walk. Oh look, blackberries are coming. Ayan, oh.
Mom, I remember when
Those are blackberries.
I remember when we was picking berries over here. And I got like a little thing in my hand. So I had to sit
Splinter, splinter.
yeah, from the berries I had to sit down and try to take it out.
Uh-huh.
And then
We're almost there.